Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we will discuss the answers for the Linux questions that I have given in my previous video. So let's go. Start with the answers for the Linux interview questions that I have given in my previous video. So first was how many flavors of Linux you have worked on. You can mention Ubuntu, Debian, RHEL, Debian. Okay, it is repeated. Fedora, Kali Linux, CentOS, and etc. What is the difference between Hardlink and Softlink? Hardlink ln, we have to give ln, then the path where we have to create the hardlink. Softlink ln hyphen s, then the path. Same properties as link file. Inode number is same. Even if original file is same, we can access link. Not same properties as link file. Inode number is different. Utilize less space. If original file is zero, we cannot access link. Can you explain Linux directory structure? So this I have taken from Vikrant's comment. He has explained it beautifully. So I have taken a few answers from him too. That first it is root. Then in root we have inside the root we have slash bin slash dev slash etc slash usr slash home slash lib slash sbin slash temp slash where. Bin has all the binary commands like CP, CD. Dev has all the devices which are attached. etc has all the configuration file. Then USR is having all the commands which are user specific. Then home, person directory of specific users. Okay, and then libraries. Then sbin has system binary commands like shutdown. Okay, and temp has all the temporary file var. So all the explanation is given. You can check it out. Also, I'll paste all these answers in description so you can check it from there. What is the home directory of root user slash root? Command to check whether specific port is enabled. So I have given netstat, lsof, and map. What are the daemon services? So daemon services are the background process that run continuously in Linux, like cron jobs. Then how can you provide root privileges to an user? You add user in slash etc slash sudo file using vsudo. Then how would you check the current running processes on Linux system? You have to use ps hyphen ef or aux. This will give all the processes which are running. Here we can grep ps hyphen u or we can use stop and explain the concept of file ownership in Linux. So basically, when the file is created, this also I've taken from Vikrant, beautifully explained that when the file is created, the user has all the access. But if we have to modify the access, then we can change it like first it is for user, group, and others. So for read it is R, for write is a W, for execute is X, and the code is 421. So for changing the permissions, we can use to use chmod. This U is for user plus X means execute means we have to give users the execute permission to the file. We can also use a numbering. So this is basically 4 to 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So 7 means all permission to user, then all permission to groups and all permission to owners. Oh sorry, others. So this is also a way. Then describe the process of setting up passwordless SSH between two Linux systems. Then we have to use this command in one server, copy public key to another server. Then we have to make changes in SST underscore config file. We have to set this password authentication to no and then restart the SST service. How would you manage system updates and patches on Linux server? For Ubuntu based server, we have to use sudo apt. For RHEL, we have to use yum so that you can check. Then how would you rebuild access to Linux server? So stop the instance, detach the root volume, attach the volume to another instance that you can access. Then we have to once attach mount the volume on the new instance and navigate to the .ssh authorized key files of the root user and attach volume. Detach the volume from the second instance, reattach it to the original instance, the root volume. Start the instance again and log in using new SSH key. or there are many other. You can directly log in console, or you have to reboot the server and make some changes in grub. So there are many ways, two three ways. I've given one of the ways. So yeah, that's all for the answers. I hope it's clear, and I will paste all these answers in uh, in description section too. And thank you, Vikrant. I have taken few answers of yours where you have beautifully explained. So thank you so much.
So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope it is helpful. So, bye. Take care.